everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is part 2 of October's giveaway for November's Diamond Painter of the Month. So all through the month of October, October 1st starting at midnight through October 31st, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys have been submitting your nominations. Please check out the other video for part 1 as half the nominations were read there. We had a total of 41 nominations. Now some of them are duplicates, but that's okay. They get more than one chance. Not more than one chance, but they're part of the numbers. So nominate. So anybody that came in November 1st at 12 a.m. will go towards December's Diamond Painter of the Month. I do know that there was one person so far that is on the list for December's Diamond Painter of the Month. Also, I wanted to let you know that the winner will receive from KK Unique's Diamond Painting Pens a wonderful pen from Karen. They will also receive a set of cover minders. They will also receive from DrillPenFrenzy a diamond drill picker upper vacuum, the lovely Ladybug. They will also receive a travel cover minder holder that has magnets inside, so you can put your cover minders in there and they won't slide around, and you can take them with you throughout the house or on the road. And I also had somebody step up and say they wanted to donate a 30 by 40 diamond painting that they had, and so I said, that's fantastic, because normally you need a diamond painting to use your diamond painting accessories on, right? So the November Diamond Painter of the Month is going to receive basically a diamond painting accessory kit. So I'm so excited about that. Okay, so part 2, I'm going to read some of the rest of the nominations, and then we're going to do a random number generator that's going to pick the person. So I'm going to be diamond painting while I'm reading as well, and we'll try to do 2 things at once, so you're not getting bored of me just, reading names that aren't your own, right? So tonight for part 2, Nicole, you have been nominated, and your person who nominated you said she is admin for my group and she does an awesome job. She is also a wonderful and special person that is always there for anybody that needs her. She is a mother of 4 beautiful boys and a good wife to her husband. She loves to diamond paint, but unfortunately doesn't get a lot because of her money situation. Ashley, you were nominated, and your nominee says you're the most generous and caring person they have met. You are always happy and fun going no matter what is going on in your life. You are not only an inspiration to me, but you inspire those around you to be kind as well. Love you, Ashley. Susan Z, you were nominated. This person says, Susan is one of my subscribers to my channel that always comments on all my videos. She always makes my day with her comments and makes me believe in myself to do better for my channel. She supports all of us creators and loves diamond painting. Awesome, Susan. It sounds so amazing that your creator sees your comments and loves you and appreciates you. We have Kendra. Kendra is one of my subscribers and biggest cheerleader. She is also a big supporter of many channels, always leaving a kind comment on videos. She keeps things real and makes me laugh. She deserves to win. Mindy D. Mindy is one of my favorite creators. She has a soothing voice and her farm videos are fabulous. She is kind and sweet, and I'm proud to call her a friend and a sister. Aww. We have Diamonds and Stitches. You were nominated, Lisa, and it says Lisa is wonderful, friendly, and has the best laugh. I love watching her videos because I find so many similarities between us that I think she's my sister from another mister. That's awesome. You guys are doing amazing when you write these. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. Okay, the next person, Mindy's Diamond Memories, or Mindy D. Mindy's love of diamond painting and life re-exudes in her videos and the DP community. She made a large effort with the DP and crafting carousel to include both creator and non-creators. This is one of the few times I've seen no creators welcomed and encouraged to participate in an activity. Well, you know what? We could not do what we do without you. That is why actually we love doing videos. We love doing lives, because we need you guys. We need to communicate. We need, you know, to be able to share love with you and just have so much fun. So I'm glad that, you know, Mindy was able to be there for you and that you had an amazing time with her and her carousel. All right. Rachel Ray, you were nominated. I really love her channel and personality. She is always so upbeat, and I like to watch her channel after a hard day at work as it helps me relax. Ooh, Shez. My wife Shez is 1 in a million. She is full of arthritis, but still manages to help everyone she comes in contact with. I feel she deserves this honor, and I trust it will give her the boost I feel she needs and deserves. Amen. Don't we have all have kind of those heroes in our life that we just look at and are like, man, I just look up to that person, you know, above all odds. They should be in bed or sitting and complaining, but they're there for everybody and just such a joy. So, Shiz, you have an amazing husband who sees that. Thank you so much for nominating her, Mr. Shiz. Ella from Kicking Cancer's Butt. Ella is an inspiration. She brightens my day and makes me smile. We all have our burdens to carry, and she shows us how to carry on. Keep up the good work, Ella. Christina K., you were nominated. She works tirelessly organizing the Mystery Diamond Painting Fun Exchange. I signed up for that. I can't wait for it to start. Ensuring that everyone is satisfied with their partner in painting. She is active in our community and is a wonderful person who deserves recognition. Amen to everything you guys are saying about your amazing nominees. I'm so excited for you guys. Okay, and last but not least, Nicole, you were nominated. The reason I've nominated Nicole is because not only has she found so much passion in diamond painting, but also because she's a sweet and very kind person who's willing to help anyone. So I feel she 100% deserves to win DPer of the Month. So guys, that includes the 41 nominations. You guys did amazing. I love what you say about each other and just so uplifting. And isn't it just good to hear things like that, that we're supporting each other? It's not what we're giving out as free gifts. It's not free things we're getting, but it's all about the love that we're sharing and that peace and just that acceptance. Oh my goodness. I was just watching one of Ashley's videos, and I swear we are the yawn sisters, because every time I go on video, I just want to yawn, 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 yawn like crazy, even if I'm not tired. Okay, so I'm trying to fit this in before my live because I want to be able to post it after so you guys can see who won and that I'm not behind the 8 ball, because after all, November has started. And I just want to take this moment. Donnie, I wish you a happy birthday. It's November 1st. You're amazing. Okay. So, I have 41 people. Okay, so here's my computer. There's 41 people there. I'm doing the random number generator. All right, I'm going to hold it upside down so you guys can see. And I have, oops. I'm attached, people. I'm attached. All right. So we're going to do this upside down. Maybe. So you can see there's 4. 1 through 41 right there. 4 is from the last time we did it. I'm going to hit the generate button right here. 27. Okay, so then I'm going to go over here to this list. I'm going to go down to number 27. Okay, number 27. Odd but nice. Oh my gosh. Odd but nice. I'm going to read your nomination again so you can see. Let me unhide these columns because it has the person who nominated you. All right, Cassie nominated you. So go thank Cassie. Cassie says that you deserve Diamond Painter of the Month because you attend all the lives and support all the creators. You participate in chats and contribute to the discussions that help make our loving community better. So, odd but nice, I will be reaching out to you for your name, your address, and get you all of that information, and we'll take it from there. So everyone, please continue to vote for your nominees. It's a free chance to win something. It's a free chance to give, love to people, because I read this off. Even if you don't win, you're still a winner in my book. So I love you all, and I thank you for who you are, what you do, and until next time, take care, be blessed. Bye-bye.